Uh, yeah, nigga tryna live big, nigga wanna get big, nigga wanna grow big, nigga wanna live that life. Not living broke, but living rich, living big. Like a nigga got money, I wanna make my own beats and make my own music. Be my own man, which I am, but I need to be my own $1 million man, nigga. I gotta get it on my own, working hard, cause nobody gonna give you a handout. You gotta make it by yourself if you want it. You gotta get it, you want it, you get it how you live. Don't let nobody hold you back, get it how you live. All I gotta say is get it how you fucking live. Get about the shit, get about that bad situation, get a better one. Get yourself in a better situation and shit. Don't stop, keep going in the motherfucker, keep it real. Don't ever change for nobody, keep it real with yourself. So you can keep it real with everybody. So you gotta look in the mirror and make sure you still the same person. If you're not, then you know you're doing something wrong and that's not cool and that's faking shit. And a nigga don't fuck with that. Nigga only fuck with real shit. I'm on the real ass motherfucking shit, man. I'm trying to get rich in the motherfucking shit. Need $100 million in my fucking name shit. Living like I'm Rick Ross in the motherfucking bitch. Living like I'm Rick Ross. Hold up, wait a minute. That's just what I want. I just wanna live that fast-paced life, not that slow life, nigga. That fast life, the life of a winner that's winning and fucking bitches, right? And making money out the ass and doing everything he dreamed of. Feeling so blessed, cause he was blessed. That's just what I want, but unfortunately we're not all blessed to the way we wanna be. So I'm trying to make it that way. Yeah, you gotta force it in life if you really want it. Cause if it don't just fall in front of you, then you gotta force it. And a lot of times this shit don't be there. So you gotta push and push and pull and push and pull. Fight and punch and fight and punch. Can't stop when life knock you down. Get back up, get back up. Can't stop when life knock you down. Get back up on your motherfucking 2 feet, nigga. Stand tall. Handle your business. Do your shit. Real niggas. Real fathers out there handling your shit, salute to you. Take care of the kids, pleasure that woman. Take care of the kids, and pleasure that woman. Take care of the kids and pleasure that woman. Keep it real with your day ones though. If they change on you, then they was really never a day one. They was a day hoe. They was a day two hoe. Try to act like a day one, but they're really not a day one. That's why they always try to hold you right. Try to talk shady shit all behind your fucking back. That's the type of shit they did, and I swear to God, man, niggas like that so whack. Niggas try to steer from you, then help you look for it. I never understand that. My best friend did this shit though. That's why I distance myself from him. And he know who he is, and he know what he did. But I gotta say, fuck the nigga, he a joke. I'm trying to steal from the nigga that kept it real with him and kept it a meet up with that motherfucker. But he still wanna act fake, still wanna steal, nigga. Wanna steal video games, nigga. You that broke, nigga, man? Fuck you, nigga, man. I'm on my shit. Rapping in the shit, man. I'ma make it out. You gon' fucking hate along with everybody else that talk that shit about me. Cause I'ma walk that shit. I'ma walk, and I'ma walk the walk. Motherfucker, man, I gotta do it. Nigga, up in it. I wanna be like rocking big fucking money, nigga. I don't wanna be covered up. I wanna be showed. Tired of being hoe. Need to be showed. Lights, camera, action. Like Drake said, the camera is always rolling and never pauses. Life is steady moving. Closer to revelation, to the end, and it's still moving. So I'm gonna rap until the time is used up, so I can use my time right. Use it up, nigga. Use it up. Do it. Use it up. Use it up, nigga. Use it up. Do it. Use it up. Use that time wisely. Use it right, shit. Why not do it with something you love? And that's rapping for me. A rapping theme to the end, nigga. Cause I know that I'm gonna have to fucking win, nigga. I'ma fight to the bitter end. Win or lose, I still choose to fight back and keep going back harder and harder. I'm coming at you niggas. Fuck you hoes. I'm coming at you bitches. Fuck you hoes. I'm only about me. Fuck you hoes. I'm gonna make it right. And I'ma fuck these hoes with the $1 million in the limelight, bitch.